Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make a GitHub account. Want to share your code, collaborate with others and contribute on open source projects? GitHub is the best platform for developers. Now in this video, I'll show you how to create a GitHub account step by step. So let's follow these few simple steps. The first step is to open GitHub website. And to do that, just go to your browser and type in the search bar github.com. Now once you type in, click on the website and open it and click on sign up for GitHub. Now here, type your email address, your password and then your username and click continue. And after that, enter your account details and after typing your email address and etc. verify your email. And you can do that by checking your inbox for a GitHub verification email. As you can see here, GitHub will send you an email with a verification code. Click on it and copy it and then paste it in the GitHub website, or just click on the confirmation link to activate your account. The fourth step is to choose your preference. Now GitHub will ask you about your experience level. You can select beginner, intermediate or advanced and choose if you're using GitHub for personal or work projects. As for the fifth and final step, set up your profile by clicking on your profile icon and then add a profile picture, a bio and a social links to personalize your account. Use a strong password and enable two-factor authentication for security and follow other developers to explore open source projects. And that's how you make a GitHub account. Sign up, verify your email and set up your profile, and now you're ready to start coding and collaborating. If you like this video and found this helpful, please like and subscribe and feel free to leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next tutorial.